We're terming this project the Summerland Energy Center. This isn't just a solar generation site, it's also a battery energy storage site. So here we're able to take that sunlight, that solar energy, and actually store it for times when the sun isn't shining. The main purpose of the site is to generate that solar power, but also to do peak shaving. Peak shaving lowers our demand costs. So that's the sort of the fundamental purpose of the project, is to create some energy savings from our transmission wholesaler and some demand savings.
So this idea of peak shaving really appealed to us. The thinking was, if we could generate a little bit of our own electricity, we could help stabilize the grid, and we could get some costs under control. So we decided, okay, let's look into how we can generate some of our own electricity. And we did some research, and we found that solar was the best way to go.
I find this project to be really exciting as it displays two different types of technologies. You've got the solar PV component, roughly 0.5 megawatt here of solar PV, and you've also got the battery storage component. So you've got some lithium-ion batteries that help the District of Summerland sort of offset those peak charges through FortisBC. So this is a great example of what can be done on a smaller scale.
I was really hoping to see some more of these projects, kick off in the next couple of years, and I think this project proves to the overall, British Columbia market that they make sense. There's funding available, and this is the first of its kind in British Columbia, which is really exciting. And soon we'll have information and data to show that it's operating as we've promised.
Because the project is mostly funded through grant, we were able to do a lot of that project work. We had commitments to the community to improve trail access, and we're building road access into here, so it gives the community better access to the trail system in behind here. So there's some overall site improvement that the project's been able to bring into Summerland, but also just that energy generation and offsetting our costs for electric utility.
So this project is quite exciting for me and for EVLO. We installed 1 megawatt of power and 4 megawatt hours of energy. So we have 4 batteries that we can see behind, and it's quite exciting to be a part of that good community and that project for EVLO. So the collaboration was awesome. So we were able to put everything in service and commission everything on time, on budget. And we were even able to complete the commissioning remotely. So from Montreal, where we have our offices, so we finished everything. The final tests were done remotely. So that's proof that we can execute projects like this one in remote region. So for EVLO, it was a really good achievement.
Yeah, it was a fantastic team on this project. Great success. Obviously, the joint venture here with Wildstone Construction and Skyfire Energy, and then we had our other project partners with EVLO providing the battery storage, Westpark Electric doing the bulk of the electrical scope, local electrical consultant in Struthers, and we got on it early on. Great coordination, lots of planning. I was really pleased how this one came together.
We put together a really good team on the EPC side, really local team with a lot of experience, and then the owners team was great as well. That was working with the District of Summerland and their owners representative, ATCO. There was a whole bunch of collaboration, and it was a lot of fun.
For us here in Summerland, on a local day-to-day operational level, what's really exciting is this opportunity to get our costs under control, to stabilize the grid, and have more control over our grid.
Just a big kudos to the District of Summerland and all of the project partners, but especially the district on just being ahead of the curve, so to speak. Really, understanding, having the vision on this project and putting it into action. There's not many small utilities that would have the ability to plan this and put it together. So just a big kudos to the district for their vision and following through on it.
So it's very rare to have a project where everybody actually benefits, but this one does, right? This is a project that benefits everybody in the community because everybody needs electricity, and when we get costs under control, when we have a stable grid, everybody benefits. The sun is free. It's shining all the time in Summerland. So it's the right project for the right community.